Hey guys, Bryan Schmitt here. I'm down at SonarPros. Been coming here for several years to get my boat rigged up. You know, we're in the time of electronics, guys. Everybody knows Garmin LiveScope is the biggest tool we have. It's, the best tool we have. It's not as simple as just bolting this stuff on and just hitting the water. Yes, that can work, but you need to have dedicated power source that runs straight from your battery to your electronics to get the best images you can have all day. Before I would come here, I would get a lot of codes throughout the season. We fish a lot and put our stuff into a lot of, rough water, and I would get these codes, lost sonar, etc. Just because I didn't have a dedicated power source. I had too many components, too many, stopping points. So they take care of that. The work is top shelf. Everything's super clean. My biggest thing is I want to control what I can control. So I want to have backup for backup. And what I mean by that is every battery has a backup. Every battery has a charger. I got chargers charging my electronics while I'm idling, charging my battery, my battery from my electronics while I'm idling. So I choose to come here because the work is top shelf. I want my LiveScope to pop. I want everything to work flawlessly all day. So it's a big thing, guys. Take a minute, think about, you'll buy any bait out there, you'll pay whatever it costs to get the hottest bait, but you need to have your electronics working good. So step back here, I'll show you something real quick. This is the cleanest setup that you can have, in my opinion. So I'm gonna walk you through what I got going on here. So I got an AGM, Pro Guide AGM, straight only for starting my boat, my live wells, my lights, etc. Okay, I use an AGM for that. Just a tried and true deal for me. I'm never gonna sleep that battery if it's super cold. I just want to always be able to crank up. So that's how I got that set up. I have two 12-volt Pro Guide batteries, 12-volt dual purpose. They're 135. I have all my electronics hitting one of these. I have additional battery on a backup switch. So if one stopped working, I can switch right over. So that's the deal over there. On the 36 side, I got two Pro Guide 36-volt, 60 amp hour batteries in parallel for my trolling motor. It will take forever to kill that. If I did, I have additional one on a backup. All the switches right here, real easy to switch over. Got a charger, a powerful charge just hitting my AGM on my 36 side. I have a no-code dual purpose just hitting my two graph batteries. I have a DC to DC charger also charging my graph batteries while I'm idling. The best setup you can have, in my opinion. Clean, top shelf. So definitely check them out if you want to step your game up just a little bit.